back to Mount Carmel to XenonZcar. Hey guys, it's XenonZcar here today. Today we're getting back in a swing of things. It's second week of February, and we got to get ready for Motorama next week. So what we're doing today is we're going to pick up a 89 300ZX that we did a bunch of work on. It was at Motorama last year. You probably recognize it. We got to put a rear differential in her today because she kind of blew up the differential doing a burnout with some slicks on. First one I've seen, he ended up breaking the spider gears. So we'll get that pulled out, put a new differential in out of the anniversary edition we parted out last year. And while we're in there, we'll replace the subframe bushings and a few of the other bushings with polyurethane to give it a little better look, so it's not twisting as much. You saw in the videos previous. I'll put a link in the description below here of those videos where you can see the flex in the rubber bushings. The race car trailer. That's what they say. Doesn't make the car go any faster though. This is Brian. He always around bugging me. Yep. But I get my share of work out of him too, so this is one of those things that couldn't be doing without him for now. Get your wheel chock out of there and we'll get her backed on down.
One hour later.
Is that an S14?
Nope. Z31.
Oh yeah, now I see the trailers. I'll let you do it.
Back to Mount Carmel to XenonZcar. That wind is deadly.
Two hours later.
Well, boys, she didn't fall off.
Nah, I don't know. What do you
Smile. There's your problem.
Looks good to me. Mint.
Send it.
Send it, Steve.
This is what slicks do with hard launches. You want to turn that, oh yeah, go ahead and turn that gear. Yeah, you got, that side don't look terrible.
It's locked right now. It ain't
Yeah,
going
yeah, I know it's locked.
It was moving a second ago.
Right. You see it right there?
Yep. Oh yeah. Fucking
They're
ain't
broke
going
all
nowhere.
over. And that's a four
So when you're in the burnout box,
yeah, that's a four
stay
gear
on the
spider.
gas. Don't let off.
That's a 4-gear spider too. That's the good one.
Is it? Oh, it's a stronger one.
Yep.
Destroyed it. Oh well.
2 hours later. Several bad puns later.
Well, it's out. Sorry we didn't record it. We got her out.
We're so broke from spending money, we can't afford heat. We have to burn our car parts.
Well, after about 6 hours, it's back underneath, ready to go back in. We're going to quit here for the night and come back tomorrow.